So check another one off on the build series. This is the 2009 Harley Davidson Nightster that we did. All classic white and black. Looking super clean. Bison Motorsports sissy bar. Custom TIG welded exhaust. K&N air filter. Joker machine front sprocket cover. Got LA Chopper Z bars. Looking mean with the belt well grips to match the tank. Front cowl. Bike is super classy. Looks excellent. Speedo relocation, ignition relocation, coil relocation, big old plug wires. This thing's actually got custom Core Moto white brake lines. Rolling sand seat, running a Harley Touring rear suspension. Everything is blacked out with the motor. It came out super nice. Big thanks to Dan Brown Paintworks, the flat white and the flat black. Looking crispy.